Thanks for watching MTV, Metro TV Uganda. It's a beautiful Saturday enaku z'omwezi ziri 12 June 2021. You're watching MTV show bagise the magazine ebirawo every single Saturday mu wiki nga omuweerezaawo omulungi MC Western yo #1 the incredible Oji kutuusaako every single Saturday. Wandyagadde okumanya things concerning entertainment industry, wandyagadde okumanya things kyekibaddewo kyekituuse ku serebo mu wiki. Just stay tuned on Metro TV every single Saturday mu week. Wamu ne MC Western yo #1 the incredible okutuusaako information born to entertain nga bulijjo. Last week I told you about nembagamba ngenda I'm going to bring a guest, twin a guest this week. Today it's the lunaku nembagamba we are going to have a guest. Today twin a guest, I would like to, before I introduce to the guest, nenagadde obategeezaako continue. So this show is being powered by Airtel, the smartphone network. Nga bwe mugimanyi erina offers enungi, yalese offers double Airtel double data. You dial *175*4#, then no following options. Oteekako data 10 ne bakuweza data 2. Buli data gy'oteekawo bagikubisaamu emirundi 2. Oteekako 1 GB, you get free 1 GB as a 2 GB. Njagala bategezaako nti this area gye mulaba wanene environment wendi wanene akafo kalungi kanyirira bulungi. We are being powered by Mika Resort Eco Hotel. Mika Resort Eco Hotel, it is located in Hoima Oil City, Western Region. Abe Hoima, big up to you. Mwena aba watching a show gye basedde magazine. Baina accommodation enungi ku Mika Resort Hotel. Wandyagadde okujjako eno mu Hoima, obeereko mu Hoima, onyumirwe obulamu, just jangu ku Mika Resort Hotel. They have good accommodation, baina swimming pool, baina bar and restaurant, baina gundi corporate nights every Saturday. Babirayo ne corporate nights. Osobola okujja waneno ku Mika Resort Hotel n'onyumirwa. By the way, baina Friday gundi all these nights, every single Friday in a week babirayo all these nights. Jangu banange onyumirwe, abantu abali mu Hoima Oil City banange mujje tunyumire ku Mika Resort Hotel. Sawa zineno I'm talking to you. Owulire eddoboozi ddungi nayisigamba nti because ddungi naye lwakuba nanyweddemu ekyokunywa bakiyita Albertine mineral water. Albertine mineral water, it is more pure, it is natural mineral water. Bajija gundi eno mu Western Region mu Bunyolo stream, amazzi malungi gali natural, ne bwoganywa owulira nga gali bulungi. Bannange, you people endeavor to buy Albertine. Nze kanywemu, let me take a drink. Wow, Albertine mineral water. Just go to the nearby shop. So eduka yone kuli okumpi ogenda gasanga Albertine mineral water. Nabagamba this show gye bayisidde magazine tuyitamu mu ggwanga lyonna ne twetoloola. Naye this week twayiseemu mu ggwanga gathering information concerning entertainment industry. Then ne tugwa ku kibuga ekimu bakiyita Hoima Oil City mu Western Region, Hoima Oil City. Era this week mwetuli ne gundi musicians gwe nabaleetedde ava mu Hoima. Abantu ba Hoima, abanyoro batooro abali ha Metro TV mwebale kuba ni mukyayirindireho. Kyaleero kino ndi mu Hoima Oil City, niho tuli Metro TV na the magazine show. Guest wanyo mulungi ombaleeteire ajja kuba na introducinga himself n'abagambira kiki ekyabayimire musically ahikire nkaha. Kiki goals kezayina mu music towards good entertainment industry mu Uganda. Before I introduce to you my guest, I will go into a short commercial break. We shall be back shortly. Don't touch on it.
Josh Kibot.
Yeah. Bully guidance osa go yampangire. Physically timurora. When tunulira birungi ebya hangire. I love it. asinisa
Alright, we'll be back from that short commercial break. It's the magazine, Bagise the magazine, every single Saturday week, waneno ku Metro TV. Wamune MC Western, your number one, the incredible Ojikutu Sako, born to entertain nga bulijjo. Nze ndiwo benta nabagamba, I'm there to entertain you. Things concerning entertainment in entertainment industry. Ekikute kuserebuwo kyekikunyumira mu entertainment industry ngenda biba tusangako. I told you when we turn back, I'm going to introduce you my guest. Yandiyagadde mba introducing the guest wange ababuulire amanyage ababuulire kiki kyayinawo era kiki kirubira ki kyayina mu entertainment industry. Mukulu webale okujja waneno ku Metro TV, webale kuyija Metro TV tukutangirire muno.
Webale muno MC West. I'm so happy of this program kani kusima muno abokwijja mu region yaitu ya Bunyoro, Oima, Oilo City. I'm so happy of that.
Okay. Nyakugondeze ogambire abakutula Metro TV ogambire amabala gawe niwoha.
Abaroza abalongi. Amabala gange nyo banyita Rick Womit International, Class Boy Mukazinga, VIP Stato, the freestyle master, the champion of the market. You people, amanyanga manji. Amanya wagajjawa amabala kamayinjo okagayanga agogona. Amabala. It's all about your strategy. Nkoko yombeko obwongo bwawe.
Okay.
Obwongo bwawe.
Okay. You are a musician, right?
Yeah. I'm an artist.
Music okagitandika diki music, when did you start your music? Olugendo lwa music okalutandika diki?
Music okutandika music kutandika kangambe ngugenda mu studio ko muzini wena. I started in 2016 when I was in art school.
Back 2016?
Yeah.
I thought you had just started recently.
No. Bailemu mpora magazine yako yimanya.
Okay. So bailemu since back 2016 music. So far, how many songs have you produced?
So far, as a Rick Womit, nina bizina David as a Rick Womit.
2 songs.
2 songs. Nka Rick Womit, kionka nka collabos and whatever all. I have 4 songs.
4 songs.
Yeah.
Kati, when I see Ubokungamba, you started right back 2016. I see haroho there's a gap emyaka ejeri nyingi. Kionka, you are telling me that there's a few songs you have so far made. What could be the challenge? Should we say that mulimu challenges zimwe ziri mu music tutazimanyire? Nkayitwe, of course, omulozi omulungi ali ha Metro TV yagondeze kumanya. Of course, omugambire you started back 2016. Kionka yagondeze kumanya habwaki oina gundi music inteito. Should we say there are some challenges ziba mu musically tap dimanye to nkaba fan?
Yeah, of course. Nka fan we abagwire bona alindirire kurora ikiki kwica. Kandi fan we ayikala alindirire kurora waka. Chonka nko muzini omuntu we nali creative over na challenges and things which are blocking you around. Then if I tell you that I started in 2016, it was time when I was still at school. So the money that I could use sometimes in Yagam school fees in balancing.
Hustle, that's what we call hustle.
Yeah, hustling. So pocket money nyagiri at that time zenjara nenduma chonka nyendambe mu industry. Chonka bunyamazire nyagaruka ati nyaba muntu. Onko muntu wabulikyo nyatandika kukora kupambana. Kupambana ni soko imai. Nyatandika kupambana. So nitandika kusoera sente mpora so nyatandika kugena music from 2016 to 2019 is when I went back to studio again. So from 2019 to 2021 I've managed to get 3 songs.
Wow, that's nice. Hey, so far kati this time round wamazire kusoma you have 3 songs.
Yeah, man.
That's nice. Like any other musicians, right? Like any other musicians, omuntu abaho na someone who inspires him or her to joining the music. Kati iwe, what inspired you, or who inspired you to join music?
Yeah, in the beginning, we over 2016.
Yeah.
Akaba omusajja oba yetaga Gravity Omutuju. Akaba onatera raps, bayiga yateraga raps zirungi muno, natera kulungi hip hop egyo luga flow. Nenyumira muno, so nyawulaga nyenyumira muno, so nanyo nyatandika ku practice like that. But before that, kali nkaba na talent kuluga mu buto, nkakulira ndi mu music ya somero, nitera ebinanga instruments ebyo. So I was a leader in the school. So no mutima ogwa music enkunira kyantayira mu muno mu bukuru, anyayegomba muno Gravity.
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Ricky. So I would like to know, Kale music, you're a musician, not so?
Yeah.
Which style of music do you sing? Or is it in music too? Omulozo omungi yagonze kumanya which style of music do you sing?
Yeah. For me, as Rick Womiti, I'm a versatile artist.
Versatile?
Yeah, versatile.
That kind of music yozina omulozo omungi yagonze kumanya.
Ekigambo kikumanyisa ki? Ekigambo kino kikumanyisa nyowe tejina single style. I have many styles. I'm a songwriter, by the way.
Hey, you can also write.
I can write music. I write for myself. I even write for others. So, as a songwriter, a good songwriter, you shouldn't have a style, one style. Akuba ajja kwijja omwana agambe nnyo opandikira reggae. So, tokujja kumugamba ng'ogenda mwana akaniwandiika reggae nnyo timbisobola. Omwana ajja kwijja n'agamba mpandikirayo aromatic song. Tokujja mugamba. Omwana ajja kwijja kugambe mpandikira hip hop. Tokusobola kumugamba ng'ogenda mwana. So, you have to be organized, and you have to oina kuzole ekyawe kyennyini ekyo ina akola. So nyonkezo ngu kinyina style nkuteera buli kimu kyonna ekyokuba oyiziiremu.
So Mr. Ricky, tugambe ngu mu kubaza kwangwe tugambe you can sing every style of music. It can be reggae, it can be R&B, it can be Afrobeat. Okusobola kuzina any kind of music. Wow.
Era kanyinalyo kusobola kurapinga, kusobola guruka Lucky Dube, koko kakwija oba okwenda ebizina bya bugenyi byonna.
Any style you can sing.
I can.
You are so versatile. That's nice. Like kale, like musically, of course, turozire ngu or you have produced little music for a long period, right back from 2016 Kedekano to 2021, So which means music halimu challenges, Which challenges so far have you faced ezosangire mu musically? Of course, okurora this Bunyoro region, in Bunyoro region, Hoima City, musically, people kale it soundinga, obokurola ha nason, Uganda, Bunyoro, it was left behind, So for me, I hope there are some challenges, ezabazini musicians zeba sanga, ezikubalemesa breaking us through to the national level. So what challenges have you faced so far as you're facing the music?
The problems, blockages is a man muno kusekira nkano Bunyoro. Remember, it is just ekibuga kyazoirwe. Ekintu kyokubanza tubaitaina ebyoma ebikumala. That's what I can talk about. Na production machines to use. Na production ya music ebairao nebuzabuza bana. Nosanga mu studio aliyo ni bagambe ni studio choka mazimako no tere kizina no mara kitera kizina a national level kitakusobola kusounda because of the machines and instruments. But bwire buno challenges zote zifunire. A challenge ya kande baire all about money, support, finance, support. Bane baitu hoima tubaintulakinga kintu kya support. Omwana naba onateera n'owulanga omwana akuteera amazima ko kyonka atalina muntu akumugamba ngu nyenka you come and I support you. Egyo challenge ya kabiri. Challenge ya kasatu ebaire blockages obutendeza. Egyo ebaire blockage ya maani nosanga ngu mwana amazima ko
Uganda baziyita nkokola.
Enkokola nakukuba olukokola n'alukukuba direct mu lubuto.
Kyogamba mu Bunyoro region era waliyo enkokola.
Man. Man. Kankubulire kino nno. Mu music, entertainment kasita muntu wakakulwa n'ojja kutuluka wakatono.
Guys,
enkokola wandanga you so enkokola zitugaluze muno enyuma. If you are an upcoming artist, okatere akantu kamu konka akazina kamu. Batandikira akulwanisa. This one is like this one. So uba otaina strategy mutima gwawe no mubwongo bwa mutu gwa uguba guta standing at the level that you can control yourself osanga no muramwa no guruga. So that is the challenge, the most biggest challenge. Ekintu kyakandi kibaire mbazaire baitu.
Abazaire.
Yeah, abazaire babaire batakazoire what exactly talent means. Baba bayindi bamanya ngu talent kiri kintu kyokuyimuka omwana kyajeyiza wenka.
By the way back omwana obuyaga lugaiga katandika kuzina akagamba nkwenda kutandika music bamwetaga muyayi
ogo muyayi ajja kutandika kunywa enjayi abo bazini ajja kusiba isoke na isoke waliro baganke kizebo atika iwe kokosibira kasoke ka egyo bitagi paka bakuba itwire muka tokusa kusigarayo.
You guys who are watching Metro TV mukola chamanyi it's bamuyise mwana mulenzi Mr. Ricky Wamiti between today olunaku lwaleero this Saturday. As I told you earlier on, nembagamba tuyitamu in every parts of Uganda. Never north we are coming. You guys who are watching this Metro TV show in northern region, Gulu, Arua, we are coming next week. We are in Arua. So you guys, mwana mezi, he's called Ricky Wamiti. Yagambye, he has been telling us the challenges he's been facing in music industry. He started this journey right back 2016. So has been telling us the challenges he's been facing. Told us some of the challenges, blockages in Kokola, the tweet in Kokola. Some of the challenges told us money is becoming a problem financially. They don't have that money for funding Agundi music. You also told about us which other challenge? Parents, parents more in the Bunyoro region, you are not supportive. You people, you guys. Abazadde, musupporting abana bamwe. If someone ngo mulabo mwana ina talent, musupporting. Olaba you see challenge about facing the parents, you are not supportive when it comes to entertainment, music, mubaita bayaye. Just nowadays music it became a business because people are getting money through music. Ochimani?
Yeah.
People bafunye sente wanene mu central region, bafunye sente through music. Parents basaba mubere supportive. Omulabi wa from Mulungi, don't forget that this show is being powered by Airtel, that's smartphone network. Bateka mwensimbi wamune Mika Eco Resort Hotel wetuli wanene wenyini abayina environment enungi, conducive environment nga bwe mugiraba waneno
tulaba n'obusolonga bubuukabuuka
bungi. A good environment by the way. Yeah, bumanki wandyagadde okunyumira bannange jangu ku resort ku Mika Eco Resort Hotel. Tojja kwejjusa sente ezogenda ziwaayo n'omutima gumu and you never regret. Ampoziko n'ekyokunywa kye nabagambye it's Albertine mineral water kyosobola okunywa and you can't bannange n'owulira ng'oli free. It is pure natural from Bunyoro region. Banange, endeavor to buy in every shop. Bakaina bachine chokunywa chineno bachise Albertine mineral water. Let's go into a short commercial break. We shall be back shortly. Don't touch on your remote.
I know you like me, I know you feel me. I know you want a life around me. I know you love me and I love you too, baby. I know you like me, I know you feel me.
We'll be back from that short commercial break. It's Metro TV, MTV Uganda, show bagise the magazine every single Saturday week. MC Western, your number one, the incredible, born to entertain nga bulijjo. Mr. Ricky biki byokunira music byojja kuba nofuna mbiso abakuba abantu music bagitiina people abantu abakusinga they fear music they think music is so expensive and yet rate it is
Which is
expensive
true.
which is true it is expensive abandi bagamba music you can't get nothing only swagging around ati we tugambire what are the benefits music in music yeah.
So as music, what I know about music, that the challenge people see bantu barura music nka source of income. Undatandika music nyekya kufuna sente. But what I know about music akaire katoitoka nyikiremu. Music okutamu music ekintu ekitubanza kutunulira oli artist otunulira aibara lyabo. Ibara lyabo. Music tugigenda mu nitwenda sente. Baitu music is all about the name. Abagenzi bange bakundura bwire buno. Tuina kumanya ngo music bwokutandika kyalero music okafuna abantu nibo sente. Sente ziruga mu bantu. When you connect with people through music, tomorrow you are going to get money not from only music but from other sectors. Kangambe example. Okusobola oli mu music you can be okuba open mu bantu okusobola kufuna omulimo gwota kunira kufuna because on number loko baba kapulinga kazi nakaba bantu bajja kuba nibakubaza opportunity we kujja kikuba kyangu muno gamba Rick Womiti aliyo MC Western aliyo bantu bajja kuba mu matu gabo ujja kuba mu bwire bwona
Ndagadde omulabi wa omulungi ndagadde amanye Ricky chakola what can you do what do you have ndagadde you sample them
echenyi nako obanku be freestyle ya Mika obanku be chi kuba freestyle
osobola okukola ya Mika oba MC Western jona kyo
ya MC Western tuli wana abaganda bange ngawe nabagambye mbagambirege music musobola kutera rap musobola kutera afrobeat musobola kutera R&B so bwiye buno kamanze mboleke okatoito kanyinaho tinga kutanisa na freestyle kamanze tanise muziki gwenyini ogunkusobola kutera so it's me your boy Rick Womit international class boy mukazinga free state or that freestyle master the champion of the mic yo. It's me baby, I've been searching for you. You're the only lady whom I have ever seen. Let me promise I'm gonna take you to love seat. Cause I know baby you love me like a sweet. My heart now baby is deep in the pit. I don't deceive baby but talk that truth. Singa kwali kuflenga nyali good air ticket nja kutwala mu abati tufune ya kapat. Cause baby you're the joy of my heart. Mobi I love baby and the class apart.
Wow.
Baby kwagala nyonyonga mereli kusawani I love you monga mazomu Jerican Joku improve omukwano nga bwaza ziyoni watunga dalo mutima gulinga gwa chelani yaza Ricky Womi na yesi luga kawani sija kuimprove
I told you these people banange they are very talented banange people in Western region Bunyoro Hoima Old City banange let's support these guys you people omuntu aina kitone who is versatile like this one
so
he needs support
so I can sing for you Afrobeat style solo music yengonzi
ka R&B
ka R&B luno runyore nkomusele kwenye kiakara bwe kuturuka baby girl onkolera nkomaizi komusoa nkokuganura baby girl onyumire I want to give you my love I want to give you my life. I wanna make you my wife. I wanna give you my time. Yeah. I want to give you my love. Katubikole. I want to give you my time. Katubikole. I want to give you my love. I want to give you my life. I wanna make you my wife. I wanna give you my time.
Alright.
The morning sunrise.
Emabega kawo nawuliddeko information waneno mu Hoima City waliwo lwanguzi zibaddewo simanyi waliwo mwana mulenzi ono yakubye oluyimba Planet Aaron oluyimba lupya abaluyita organic manure waneno ne ku Metro TV waneno tutera nnyo duzanya it's a nice song by the way wabaddewo lwanguzi nawuliddeko nti waliwo bafans aba mwana mulenzi Planet Aaron ne gundi legend gwe tuyina wanene mu Hoima City gwe tumanyi obulungi yakitandikako dda music industry wamu kuba legend abatandika music industry wanene mu Hoima City yeah bamuyita Figo West so wrangles ezibaddewo soko let me more about these wrangles.
That is what I told you earlier. Ngo itwano ekizi kimu mubize betwina nekiekyo ekyakulwanisangana. Of recent Planetary akagenda NBS yagenda NTV
different
medias yeah ati buyarugireyo nekizina ekizina kale kiteire kutunyumira isa it because akaikola no muntu ali mu central so kyabominga muno mu
next by the way big up next yakole ngome
yeah so boyagenda ekizina mu central region kimutera which has not been common omojo na wakitera akola bunyoro TV by the way
he's working with
BTV yeah okay. So the guy yakitera ati buyagenzere yamara jobire winga NBS na balwanga so ni bamwanalyzinga so abafani abo mukoto ito bito mukoto wanu Figo West abahura baitu tibaina tabu yona Figo West na Planetary
those musicians they have they
don't have any problem choke kize bukikaijamu banu ba fans omanye fan we tayendo wa yabe yansi tumanye Figo West ali mukoto he has been in the industry for long Planetary nibo yatandika music kugamba ngo arugireyo rundi gamba ngo
ali is just trying to break through tali gamba ngo kyamani ngo bantu bamanyire muno wa region but is just trying to make it so Figo West abayiremu abantu bakumumanya abayiremu n'aba Bobby Wine abayiremu n'abantu bakoto so ekyo nikyo kyalesereza abafani kutandika kuungana nibatandika kwesindikira bigambo ne postinga ngo Figo West akagenda NBS ya mareda ikayibiri Planetary nagenzera amaziriyo sayona but that it doesn't make any sense because you walk genzera TV okamara yo saa mukaga TV what does it mean ngo ekubegarukire yawo no but because of course for me I think you people guys this thing chireme baula of course it's just being united Munyoro guy if you are there in Hoima ngoina for example you are supporting Figo West then you see Planet Aaron is live on NBS over Metro TV waneno then you are supposed to be happy you guys let's be supportive abatulaba ku Metro TV abakutulura abali mu Hoima City abanyoro leka supporting our home talent and let's support Ricky Womiti. Of course he's talented. If you are there, you're a fan of Figo West, then you have seen Ricky Womiti is trying to make it, to break through. Also support him because he's homegrown talent. You people in Hoima, let's support our talent. For that, of course, time etutwalaganya, time is against us. Thanks for watching Metro TV. So but you said the magazine every single Saturday. Ricky Womiti nandi agadde osibule abatula abanyagondeze osibule abakutura Metro TV so we kubantu kinga.
Yeah man. Thank you so much our MC Western. N'abalabi baffe bonna ababaddewo obalweta tandise abatuwadde obudde abatubeereire okutuweereza obwire bwawo n'amatu tibiri byangu osanga omuntu akuwuliza programu yaawo waddenka osanga abantu nibejuma bino bali abiki kyonka kubasiima muno enywe n'ababayire obwire bwonna butumazirewo nkakumbagambirege nnyo omwana wanyu hano Rick Womiti enzaalwa ya Buliisa amwe Mugongo boy residing from Kigorobya bwire buno nyikala mu kibuga kya Hoima nyo kolera emirimu yange oil state so bwire buno ngenda kubanyimba raga but ntaka baragire nja kusalutingawo abasajja abamaani abakazi abamaani abanyambire mu kintu kino baiza wenyina abantu banyambire okuba kikikiyende bwire buno nakufuna kwika Metro TV I salute my papa David King for the power and love for the spirit omutima guwanyombekeremu okuba mwana ali humbled nkusima muno mukuru wange Figo West webala wamaanyi gonna gonteereero ebigambo byongamba nkusima muno producer wange Josh na Matrix yamaanyi bambeereero muno okunkolera products zange nkusima Starbex International Oil Company awe birungi byona imunkoleire support muntereiro. By the way, we have gases at Starbex okusobola kujja n'ofuna gas yokuchumbisa. So I thank you so much people. Abantu bona kusima nyina nyowa yankulize nkusima abekika nkusima isenyowe mwebale muno bambe okunkuza n'okunsomesa nkaba advanced nkaba nyisobora na nyo kwebaliza nko omuntu mwebale muno. Goodbye.
All right, thanks for watching MTV Metro TV Uganda. Mukola chamanyi. Whoever is watching this show, the magazine in every part of Uganda, thanks for watching Metro TV. So but you said the magazine, don't forget this show has been powered by Mika Eco Resort Hotel. They have a lot of good accommodation by a bar and restaurant. Wosobolo kunywa no lya emere yonne nungi, skilled labor by nabagundi ba workers. They are very skilled, they are good caring. So you guys endeavor to come at Mika Resort Eco Hotel or invest in Hoima Oil City. Amazi gosobola okunywa obulungi agali pure natural nga tegasobola kulwaza, and they can give you energy. It's Albertine mineral water, all made from Mika Eco Resort Hotel. You people, mukola chamanyi for tuning on Gundi Metro TV Uganda. For time banange mwebale tulaba. Thanks for watching. Mwebale, I salute my guys Mutatina official. Thanks for watching. I know you're there watching. MC Ismake, you are watching. Thanks for watching. My guys Sophie okola chamanyi. I can't sola bamalayo muri banji mwena. Whoever has been watching this show, the magazine okola chamanyi. It's a beautiful Saturday. I wish you a good evening. Thanks for watching. Musule bulungi mwelaba.